Hello, it's Paul Field from WFP. This video is about spares. Spares for your system. It could be for your fire alarm system, it could be for your intruder system, it could be for a number of systems that you have on your premises. Now, what I'm talking to you about is a spares pack. If you've got spares for your system on your site, when we come to diagnose a fault, and it could be that smoke detector has gone off a few times, and the engineer says, look, I've looked at it, we've blown it out, we've done all the things that we need to do, and we've identified that detector needs replacing. So if you've got a spare, then you go to your box of spares, you take your spare out and say, well, can you fit this? The engineer can fit the smoke detector. The job's finished, it's done. So that means that you're going to save money on a return visit, you're going to save disruption because you may have had to organise a specific time. You might have had to wait in for somebody to come to do this. So the disruption's gone and you've saved yourself a few £100 in return visits and the cost of whatever the spare was. So for a box of spares, which could be £35, £50, £100, whatever it might be, because obviously the value of the parts on the system depends on what system you've got. So it's very difficult to say a spares box is £50. But the principle behind it is that you having the spares on site will save you money and it will save you disruption. So what I'm trying to get across is that this is a really good thing, and I recommend that this is what you do. So call us, speak to us, find out what system the spares that we think you should have. For example, you wouldn't have everything from the system, you would have the things that typically break. Now the things that typically break we'll know, and we could say to you, well, I would have a spare PIR if it's an intruder system, or a dual tech, or maybe a door contact if somebody bashes into the door and knocks one of your door contacts off and that's causing you a problem. If it was a fire alarm system, it could be typically a break glass, which has again been damaged because someone was moving in or moving out. Or it could be a smoke detector, it could be something that's a base for a smoke detector because water has leaked through the ceiling and damaged the system, which has caused the call out. So I think that this is a fairly obvious thing for somebody to do, and I recommend that you have a spares pack on site. So just give us a ring and we'll figure out what you need. So thank you very much. It's Paul Field from WFP.